Talc verdict remains in your Wednesday pick. Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily starts right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. I'm Joshua Stark. The Supreme Court is leaving in place a $2 billion verdict in favor of women who claim they developed ovarian cancer from using Johnson & Johnson Talc products. The justices did not comment Tuesday in rejecting Johnson & Johnson's appeal. The company argued that it was not treated fairly in facing one trial involving 22 cancer sufferers who came from 12 states and different backgrounds. A Missouri jury initially awarded the women $4.7 billion, but a state appeals court dropped two women from the suit and reduced the award to $2 billion. More after this.
Research, fundamental experience, technical analysis, statistical probability. It's what sets us apart, and it's what will get you to stop watching and start living. Every day we track over 8,700 stocks to give you a list for over 131 disciplines and suggested entry and exit prices for each, not to mention how much we expect it to move on a daily basis. Stop watching and start living. Get started today at arbitragetrade.com.
Zoom is still booming, raising prospects that the video conferencing service will be able to sustain its momentum even as the easing pandemic lessens the need for virtual meetings. Some signs for optimism emerged in the company's latest quarterly earnings report released Tuesday. That fueled a 3% gain in Zoom's recently slumping stock to $338 after the numbers came out. Your Wednesday pick seeks daily investment results before fees and expenses that correspond to the inverse of the daily performance of the Dow Jones U.S. Real Estate Index. The index measures the performance of certain companies in the real estate industry and the U.S. equity market, including real estate holding and development and real estate services companies and real estate investment trusts. ProShares Short Real Estate ETF, symbol REK, starts at $9.41.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.